Welcome back to the Daily Crypto Report, your go-to place for everything crypto and blockchain related. Today, we're diving into a project that's been making waves in the crypto space, SUI. If you've been hearing the buzz and want to know what it's all about, you're in the right place. And guess what? As of today, SUI hit an all-time high of $4.83. So now let's get down to business. First up, what is SUI cryptocurrency? SUI is a next-generation blockchain and cryptocurrency designed to optimize speed and scalability. It's part of the new breed of decentralized systems that aim to address some of the limitations seen in earlier blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum. SUI is the native token of the SUI blockchain, developed by Miston Labs, a company founded by former Meta engineers who worked on the DM blockchain project. Now you might be asking, what makes SUI different? Great question. One of the standout features of the SUI blockchain is its unique consensus mechanism and architecture. Unlike traditional blockchains that process transactions sequentially, SUI leverages a process called transaction parallelization. This means multiple transactions can be executed simultaneously without bottlenecking the network. So, whether you're minting NFTs or processing payments, the system can handle it all more efficiently. This scalability is a game changer for applications like gaming and social networks that need to manage high volumes of transactions. Let's talk about the purpose of the SUI token. At its core, SUI serves multiple roles within the ecosystem. First, it's used to pay for transaction fees. Think of it as the gas that keeps the engine running. Second, it's a governance token. This means SUI holders have a say in decisions about how the network evolves, from technical upgrades to community initiatives. And third, it can be staked to help secure the network and earn rewards. This staking mechanism not only incentivizes participants, but also helps maintain the integrity of the blockchain. Another thing to note is that SUI isn't just about financial transactions. The blockchain is designed to support a wide range of use cases. For example, developers can build decentralized applications, or dApps, on the SUI platform. Its scalability makes it particularly attractive for gaming and virtual goods, where fast and cheap transactions are essential. Imagine buying or selling in-game assets in real time without worrying about lag or high fees. That's the kind of user experience SUI is aiming for. All right, now let's get into the latest news and updates around SUI. As of December 11th, 2024, SUI has been gaining traction with new partnerships and ecosystem growth. Miston Labs recently announced collaborations with gaming companies and NFT marketplaces to expand the SUI blockchain's use cases. This is a big deal because partnerships like these bring real-world applications to the blockchain, driving both adoption and demand for the SUI token. Additionally, SUI's initial coin offering, ICO, made headlines for its strong community participation. The team allocated a significant portion of the token supply to early adopters, rewarding them for their support. This strategy not only builds a loyal user base, but also encourages decentralization, which is critical for the long-term health of the network. But as with any cryptocurrency, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges to consider. For one, the blockchain space is highly competitive, with projects like Solana, Avalanche, and Polkadot also targeting scalability and speed. SUI has its work cut out to stand out. Moreover, regulatory uncertainty around crypto could impact its adoption. These are things to keep in mind if you're thinking about investing or building on SUI. On the flip side, the project's strong technical foundation and experienced team give it a solid chance to carve out a niche. If the developers and community continue to deliver on their promises, SUI could very well become a key player in the blockchain ecosystem. So what's the takeaway here? SUI is a promising blockchain platform with innovative technology that sets it apart in the crowded crypto space. Its focus on scalability, low fees, and real-world use cases positions it as a strong contender for applications in gaming, NFTs, and beyond. However, like any investment, it's important to do your own research and understand the risks before diving in. And that's it for today's video. If you found this breakdown of SUI cryptocurrency helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto content. Also, let me know in the comments what you think about SUI. Are you excited about its potential, or do you see it as just another blockchain project? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and stay crypto savvy.